Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp salad. Now, this is a low-carb meal that's relatively affordable to make, and it's perfect for the summer weather. So anyway, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is bring some water to a boil, and we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. Now, if you're not familiar with Old Bay seasoning, it comes in a package like this. And you can find it either in the meat department of your grocery store or over by the spice section. So anyways, after we've added our Old Bay to our water, we're going to add 1 pound of raw shrimp. Now this shrimp is going to be already peeled and cleaned. So then we're just going to add this, and we're going to boil this shrimp for about 5 minutes, just until they're done. Now I'm going to put the lid on because that'll help it to boil faster. And anyway, so once this is done, I'll show you the next step. The shrimp is done, and I finished chopping it up into bite-sized pieces. So now I'm just going to add the remaining ingredients. So I have 2 stalks of celery that I've minced up pretty small. 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. You do not have to add the granulated sugar if you don't want to. It just does help to bring out the flavor. I also have 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Now, if you want to add a little bit more, that's up to you, and that's fine. It does make it a little creamier, but I like to do that after I've blended everything together to make sure it's enough for how much more I need. Then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill. Now, the dill is optional, but it does help to also boost the flavor. So all I'm going to do is mix this up, and then I will refrigerate it for at least a ½ hour before serving. And in order to serve this, you can either put it on a croissant roll, or you can just put it on a bed of lettuce and eat it like that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day.